Speaking section. In the speaking section, you will answer 11 questions to demonstrate how well you can speak English. There are two types of tasks. Listen and repeat. You will listen as someone speaks to you. Listen carefully and then repeat what you have heard. The clock will indicate how much time you have to speak. No time for preparation will be provided.
New books and magazines are displayed near the entrance. Use headphones when watching videos or listening to audio. The library offers free workshops on research and citation. You can renew borrowed books online through your account. Lost and found items are kept to the front desk. Quiet zones are marked with signs. Please follow them. Personal belongings should not be left unattended. Take interview. Let's talk about learning English. When did you start learning English and what motivated you to do so? Some students find it easy, while others face challenges. What part of learning English do you find most difficult? Do you prefer studying English alone, with a tutor, or in a classroom? Why? Finally, how do you think learning English will benefit your future goals, such as education or career opportunities?